Good morning mga kabikers. Ikot tayo ng Bula mga kabikers. Dadaan tayo sa Nabwa, tapos Pabula, tapos papuntang Pili, tapos pabalik sa Baaw, tapos pabalik na sa Riga mga kabikers. Yun ang ating ruta ngayon. Dadaan pa natin si Kuya Ramil, baka sasama. Baka sakali. Tatlo pa tayo ngayon, si Master Bong at saka si Alexis. Yun o, nasa unahan. Papunta na tayo ng Nabwa mga kabikers. Nandito na si Kuya Ramil mga kabikers.
Dark to light, the fireworks begin. The river fills, the night chills. No one here will win. Water, fire away.
Yun o mga kabikers, papunta natin ng Bula mga kabikers. Bula, Kamsur. Mga 10 kilometers siguro mga kabikers. Nasa proper na tayo ng Bula. Sarap mag-bike mga kabikers. Time check 7:25 in the morning. Naka 19 kilometers pa lang tayo mga kabikers.
Pretty pictures from the upward bound. When the thunder hits, it doesn't make a sound. World's in a hurry just to be let down. Wearing your worry like a wedding gown. Your body's on time.
Sagad lang siya ng 4.8 na gradient mga kabikers.
Body's on time, you made it.
Mga kabikers, ano natin gawin ang gradient to.
You made it. Your body's on time. Your body's on time. You made it. You made it.
Sagad lang siya ng 6.5 mga kabikers. Kaya makulat-kulat ng konti. Yun ang mga kabikers, pa-crossing na tayo. Kaliwa, Patanawan, kanan, proper ng Bula, straight, San Fernando.
Take a minute, catch your breath.
Kanan tayo mga kabikers.
Take a minute, pass your test.
Yun ang mga kabikers. Malapit na tayo sa proper ng Bula mga kabikers. Mga 2 kilometers na lang. Nasa proper na tayo ng Bula.
Take it easy, take a step. Take a seat and be my guest. Time, body's on time, made it. You made
Dito na tayo sa simbahan ng Bula mga kabikers.
it. Your body's on time, your body's on time, you made it. You made it. Your body's on time, your body's on time, you made it. You made it. Your body's on time, your body's on time, you made it.
Yan ang mga kabikers. Ano yun, bahay master? Nasa gitna ng kalsada? Pwede ba yun, nasa gitna?
Made it.
Yun mga kabikers, dito tayo sa looban ng Bula. Ang labas nito papuntang Baaw daw. Maganda rin daanan nito mga kabikers. Kasi malilim. Medyo presko pa yung hangin. Marami kasing puno. Kita mo dyan mga kabikers? Yan o. May rough road pa mga kabikers ha. Kitang kita walang daya mga kabikers. Kitang-kita rin walang daya ang rough road. Iyon, oh.
Brain hardwired to the deep fried messiah. Binge, 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 binge. Yeah, this is where your dopamine hit begins. Binge, 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 binge. Yeah, this is where your pouring my rich begins. Life is just a mukbang. You don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang.
Ayos ng rough road mga kabikers, ha. Rough road is real.
Bang, bang. Life is just a mukbang. You don't wanna be low on the food chain.
May konting simentado mga kabikers na lubak-lubak rin.
Life is just a mukbang. Bang, bang, bang. I be dropping bombs like Saddam Hussein. Party at my residence, hop on the gravy train.
Yeah.
Infiltrated your mind, now I'm in your veins. Mainframe got you hooked like a candy cane. Ill, 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 ill. If I keep your body safe, then your mind is still. Mill, 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 mill. Now you're just another rapper in the landfill. Life is just a mukbang. You don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang. Bang, bang, bang.
Lubakan Israel mga kabikers. Ganda dito mga kabikers, oh.
Mukbang. You don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a
Yung bundok na yan mga kabikers, Mount Asug yan. Parang Mount Mayon tingnan. Yan, oh. Sarap magbike mga kabikers.
bang, 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 bang. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang. Mukbang.
Yan, si Lexus mga kabikers. Nabudol. Padaan sa mga lubak ang road bike niya.
Bang, bang, bang.
Life is just a mukbang. You don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang. I don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang. Bang, bang, bang on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang. I don't wanna be low on the food chain. Life is just a mukbang. Bang, 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 bang.
Back to highway mga kabikers. Nasa highway na tayo. Si Alexis napagod. Yun no mga kabikers, back to highway.
I did it all. I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend.
Yun no mga kabikers, palusong ng gunti.
Mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again.
Yun no, ang maipit tayo dito mga kabikers. Ang lalaki pati yung kasabay natin, yun no. Nasa gitna tayo mga kabikers. Nasa gitna tayo ng dalawang trailer. Nakakatakot na yan. Nakakatakot mga sir. Kinabahan ako dun ah. Ang weird ng pakiramdam mga kabikers kung nasa gitna ka ng mga malalaking truck.
Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it almost end? Would it matter then?
Yan ah.
Alala ko ito ah.
Alala mo sa video ni Papa. Yan ah. Kitang kita walang daya.